Ever felt like you needed two separate lives? Maybe a professional persona and a more relaxed, personal one? Or perhaps you're juggling multiple projects that require distinct online identities. Well, today we're diving deep into the question, can I have two Gemini accounts? Let's be honest, sometimes one account just isn't enough. We all wear different hats, the ambitious entrepreneur, the creative artist, the gaming enthusiast. And wouldn't it be great to tailor your online presence to each of these roles? But before we jump into the technicalities, let's explore why you might even want multiple Gemini accounts. Privacy and security. Imagine you're a freelancer using Gemini for client work. You might want to keep your personal browsing history and data separate from your professional activities. This enhances your privacy and minimizes the risk of sensitive client information being accidentally exposed. Let's say you're a researcher dealing with confidential data. A separate Gemini account for research activities can help you maintain strict data security and comply with any relevant regulations. Content creation and brand building. If you're a content creator with multiple channels, like a YouTube channel for gaming and another for cooking, having separate Gemini accounts can help you organize your research, generate unique content ideas, and maintain a consistent brand voice for each channel. For businesses, multiple accounts can be invaluable. One account could be dedicated to customer support, another to marketing and social media management, and a third to internal research and development. Personal and professional separation. Sometimes, you simply want to keep your personal and professional lives distinct online. A dedicated personal account can be your space for relaxation, entertainment, and connecting with friends and family, while a professional account remains focused on work-related tasks. Address the core question, can I have two Gemini accounts? Now, the million-dollar question, can you actually have multiple Gemini accounts? The short answer is, it depends. Technical limitations. Gemini, like many AI services, may have restrictions on the number of accounts you can create. These restrictions can vary based on your location, the specific use case, and the terms of service. Some AI services may detect and prevent the creation of multiple accounts from the same device or IP address. Ethical considerations. Creating multiple accounts with the intent to manipulate systems or engage in fraudulent activities is generally prohibited and can have serious consequences. Always adhere to the terms of service and any relevant privacy policies when creating and using multiple accounts. So, how can you approach this situation? Review Gemini's terms of service. Carefully read the terms of service to understand any specific restrictions on account creation and usage. Consider alternative approaches. If multiple accounts are not permitted, explore alternative solutions. Use different browsers or incognito modes. This can help you isolate your browsing activity and maintain some level of separation between different tasks. Utilize Gemini's features effectively. Explore features like different workspaces or projects within a single account to organize your activities and maintain some level of separation. Prioritize transparency and ethical use. If you do create multiple accounts, ensure you are transparent and comply with all relevant terms and conditions. Discuss potential benefits and drawbacks. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Enhanced privacy and security. Improved organization and productivity. Tailored online experiences for different roles and purposes. Cons. Potential for confusion and difficulty in managing multiple accounts. Increased risk of violating terms of service. Potential for misuse and ethical concerns. The decision of whether or not to create multiple Gemini accounts ultimately depends on your individual needs, priorities, and ethical considerations. Remember to always prioritize responsible online behavior, respect the terms of service, and use AI tools ethically and effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.